What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. MTG here with another episode, and today we're here to talk about what to expect and everything we know about Google's upcoming flagship, the Google Pixel 3. So without further delay, let's dive right in. So last year we got the Google Pixel 2 and the 2 XL, and this year we're actually expecting three models: the Google Pixel 3, the 3 XL, and actually a cheaper model of Google's upcoming flagship. So in 2018, you're most likely going to see a phone nowadays with a notch, and that's what we're expecting. Well, most likely what we're going to be expecting from Google's upcoming flagship. Now, reports do say we will either be getting Google Pixel with a notch or without the notch and have a true bezel-less display. Wireless charging? That's a good question, actually, and I hope this time around Google actually implements wireless charging in the Pixel 3 and 3 XL. When we go on to specs, we're expecting the Snapdragon 845 from Qualcomm, 4 to 6 gigabytes of RAM, and 64, 128, or 256 gigabytes of onboard storage. The Pixel 2 and 2 XL have the best camera by far in any smartphone, and that is definitely going to continue with the Pixel 3 and 3 XL. With the Pixel 2 and 2 XL, they were able to achieve this amazing quality with just one camera lens. And I don't expect Google to add a second camera lens in their Pixel 3 and 3 XL. A lot of implementation from Google comes from the software, actually, and that is where a lot of companies do lack. When Google first introduced the Pixel and Pixel XL, they didn't really have the best speakers out there, but they changed that for the Pixel 2 and 2 XL. And obviously with the Pixel 3 and 3 XL, we're expecting better sounding quality dual speakers. Now obviously the 2 and 2 XL had amazing dual speakers, and they were front facing as well. Now the question is, how can you have dual front facing speakers if your phone has a notch? Well, instead of having front facing speakers, you can put one speaker in the earpiece and one speaker in the bottom of the phone. But obviously that's not front facing, but you're still going to get amazing quality. Software wise, obviously we're going to be getting Android P version 9.0. Android P. Android Peppermint? Pumpkin Pie? Let me know what you think Android P will be called in the comments down below. Let's sum things up. Snapdragon 845, 4 to 6 gigabytes of RAM, 64, 128, or 256 gigabytes of onboard storage, 3 different models, the Pixel 3, 3 XL, and obviously a cheaper one, dual speakers, a much better camera that is definitely going to beat the competition, Android P version 9.0, and either a display that is true bezel-less or a display with a notch. Anyway, everybody, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, be sure to comment down below, Superman that like button, and best of all, Thanos that subscribe button. Until next time, everybody, this is MTG.